Hey everyone, I'm Anna, aka 4 Bricks Tall, and today I'm reviewing the Adaptalux Studio macro lighting kit for toy photography. This is such an interesting lighting kit because it's made especially for macro photography. I'm going to take some photos of my LEGO with Adaptalux Studio to see how useful it is for my particular use case. Thanks to Adaptalux for sending this over for me to review. As usual, all opinions are my own. This is a control pod, the heart of the system, which can take up to 5 lighting arms. There's a dial that controls the intensity of each arm. You can press it to cycle through active arms. You can also connect the control pod to a phone app via Bluetooth to make all these adjustments remotely, which is very handy. There's a USB-C connection for charging at the back, and at the bottom, there's a tripod thread so you can mount it anywhere. According to the Adaptalux website, the battery lasts 12 hours, but I haven't been able to test that. The lighting arms are flexible and hold their position quite well. They're 32 centimeters in length, and they're so slender they can easily go through LEGO windows and doors. To connect them to the control pod, you just plug it right in and give it a tiny turn. It magnetically holds. And to adjust the intensity, you can turn the dial on the control pod or use the app. A cool feature of these lighting arms is that you can adjust the beam angle, giving you even greater control and precision. By rotating the hood, the lighting can go from a wide spread to a narrow one. You can also throw on a diffuser to soften the light. The white diffuser comes in 3 strengths, 30%, 50%, and 70%. These also attach magnetically. Here's a portrait of the mime after a change of pants from white to black, using a filter on a white lighting arm. For this first test, I'm creating a cyberpunk scene in my Tokyo Alley book nook. I'll turn on the lights one by one via the phone app right now and explain what they'll do. I've started with the background light with the purple filter, spreading that rich color through the alley. Then I turn on the key light with the 30% diffuser to light my subject. Then I turn on the blue LED for color. And finally, I turn on the fill light with the 50% diffuser to lift some shadows. Here's the final shot. Here's another shot I took with a different lighting setup. In this one, I narrowed the beam angles so the main subject is blue, but that light doesn't spill over to the minifigure behind it. And here's another shot where I've lit the fireplace with a warm white lighting arm and used the blue light with a filter through the windows. So who is Adaptalux Studio for? If you're a toy photographer who wants an all-in-one setup that offers precision lighting, the Adaptalux Studio might be for you. The Adaptalux Studio is compact, which is great if you don't have a lot of space to shoot in. The flexible lighting arms are great for getting the light exactly where you need it to be. I love that you can narrow the beam of each arm by twisting the hood. I found this to be super useful for precision lighting. Now for some downsides. The lights flicker when you move them. This doesn't bother me so much, but it's just annoying. The LEDs aren't very powerful, so you'll probably shoot with long exposures. That's not a deal breaker though for most kinds of LEGO photography. And at nearly $200 for the control pod and about $50 for each arm, this system can be expensive for the average LEGO photographer. For more advanced toy photographers, the price is reasonable for the control and the convenience you get. There's a Pod Mini that's about $60, which looks pretty cool and offers more placement options. I didn't get a chance to test this, but it looks really interesting, especially if you like to light larger scenes and need to move the lights farther out. All in all, the Adaptalux Studio is a great lighting system for advanced macro enthusiasts. You can buy Adaptalux products from their website, and I'll leave my affiliate link in the description if you want to support my channel. Thanks for watching. This is 4 Bricks Tall. I'll catch you next time.